Meaning of dapple gray.
Dapple gray.
Dapple gray.
Dapple gray.
Dapple gray. Dapple gray refers to a horse with a coat color that is a mixture of white and dark splotches, giving it a mottled or speckled appearance. The term dapple specifically refers to the circular patterns that can appear within each individual spot. This coloring is relatively rare in horses but is considered highly desirable by some equestrians for its unique beauty. The resulting pattern is often described as striking, elegant, and eye-catching, making dapple gray horses popular among both riders and spectators.